Every year, hundreds of our SmartBid users travel to Austin, Texas to network, learn, and eat the best barbecue the world has to offer. They come for the SmartBid User Conference. Their companies send them from all around the US and Canada to learn the latest strategies, integrations, and tips for optimizing the use of our software to enhance their bid process. And we make sure they also nerd out on some great construction tech while they're here. It's our favorite time of the year, where we get to bring together our most enthusiastic users and partners, like the Virtual Planner Network and Stack Estimating. We host educational sessions, meals, receptions, and happy hours to help attendees learn and connect. Attendees come ready to share knowledge and experience. They leave the conference feeling more equipped to guide their company's bid process to success. And our staff gets to express their love for tech with the greatest builders in the country year after year.